From the world of celebrities, a clip captures Ademidu Ojo, father of Nollywood actress Priscilla Ojo, exchanging pleasantries with his son-in-law, Juma Jukes, ahead of their highly anticipated traditional wedding. Naija News recalls that Priscilla Ojo recently tied the knot with Juma Jukes in an Islamic wedding in Tanzania, drawing prominent Nigerian dignitaries and entertainment figures. A moment that has ignited online debate was Priscilla Ojo's father's noticeable absence from the event, followed by assembly shading him in an Instagram post. The newlywed traditional wedding is scheduled for today, April 17, 2025, with Juma Jukes' family arriving in Nigeria in grand style. In the now viral clip, Priscilla Ojo's father and Juma Jukes share a heartwarming moment, exchanging warm gestures as they engage in a light-hearted conversation. Moreover, the interaction between the duo has sparked a buzz online, with Nigerians sharing varied thoughts and opinions. Priscilla's mother, Iyabo Ojo, a prominent Nigerian actress, filmmaker, and entrepreneur, popularly known among fans as Queen Mother, taken to her Instagram page few days ago, the actress shared, "Marriage done and dusted, had kids, done and dusted, raised my kids, done and dusted, next stage, enjoyment." While Priscilla's wedding has been a buzz online, we'll continue to supply you more entertainment news updates. Keep watching Naija News TV.